In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the symbol lookup error in DaVinci Resolve quickly and safely. This is a common issue that usually happens because of missing or incompatible system libraries, or because the installation is broken or incomplete. The good news is, you can usually solve it by reinstalling DaVinci Resolve the right way. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes and step-by-step guides. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is close DaVinci Resolve completely. Make sure the program is not running in the background. This step is important because if Resolve or any related file is still in use, the reinstall process may not work properly and the error can keep coming back. Next, open the control panel on your Windows computer. From there, go to Programs and then click Uninstall a program. This will show you a list of all the applications installed on your system. Find DaVinci Resolve in the list, click it, and then choose Uninstall. This step matters because the symbol lookup error is often caused by a broken installation or mismatched libraries. By fully removing the current version, you clear out the damaged files and give yourself a clean starting point for a fresh install. Once DaVinci Resolve has been uninstalled, restart your system. Restarting is a simple but important step because it clears out any loaded system libraries that may still be active in memory. Sometimes Windows keeps certain files in use even after an application has been removed, and a reboot helps reset everything properly. After your computer turns back on, go to the official DaVinci Resolve website and download the latest installer. Always use the official source so you know you're getting the correct version with the proper system libraries and dependencies included. Using the latest installer also helps avoid compatibility problems caused by outdated or corrupted setup files. When the download is complete, right-click the installer and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the installer the permissions it needs to place system files correctly and complete the setup without permission-related issues. If Windows asks for confirmation, click Yes to continue. Now follow the installation prompts and let the setup finish completely. Do not interrupt it partway through. Once the installation is done, open DaVinci Resolve again and check whether the symbol lookup error is gone. In most cases, a clean reinstall like this will load the correct dependencies and fix the issue. If the error was caused by missing or incompatible system libraries, this process should resolve it. If it was caused by a partial or broken installation, reinstalling from the official source usually fixes that too. The key is making sure the old version is fully removed before installing the new one. So to quickly recap, close DaVinci Resolve, uninstall it from Control Panel, restart your system, download the latest installer from the official site, run it as administrator, and then complete the installation. That is the most reliable way to fix the symbol lookup error in DaVinci Resolve. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more troubleshooting tutorials, software fixes, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.